So we here at Black Gold Casino.
Haven't been here in a while.
So what's going to be your budget to spend today?
So I only brought the $100 bill.
All right.
And I had $60 in 20s because I doubled up my money at Pizzaville yesterday, or Dupes, whatever it is now. So I have that. So we're gonna go in and see what happens.
So this is Black Gold Casino Truck Stop in Dusson, Louisiana. Let's see what goes on.
Jackpot and then extra.
Is what, your first spin or second spin?
Second spin. Ooh, a lot of rides. Major's 300.
It's taking a while.
I know. I hate when it does that.
For the top now.
Okay, got the mini, $6. I'd like to get the maxi. That's not bad. One more for the maxi. I was only betting 150 because I wanted to get a feel for it, but then it busted 2 at one time.
It's just very slow for all time.
Yeah.
Superstitious. Can't tap. It's gonna mess it up.
Yeah. So jackpot bonus. What's the extra bonus games, dude?
Give you extra bonus games.
But I haven't got any extra bonus games. Give me a grand. Oh, that's pretty. And I just got the grand. $1,000 on a 150 bet. Hell yeah. I was about to say, wait, I need one more grand. And it was like right there. Where is Kristen? Kristen, oh, where should she go? Do you see this? I just filled up the grand. Oh, yes, ma'am. On a $1.50 second spin. Like you watched me put my money in.
Come in with your phone. One stop or something. Send to two people.
Just filled up the grand. $1,000, thank you very much. On a 150 bet.
This may take a minute. I just still got one more free spin.
I know, I'm trying to find Tabby so I can text
There
her.
you go.
I have won the maximum reward. Okay. So my other stuff don't count?
Yeah, you'll still get it.
Is Kristen, is he gonna give me my other credits too that I won in the game, in the free game?
That's it. I'm getting the back.
I'm not getting all the other money I won? Well, that's shitty. Okay, I'll forgive it. Second spin, like I put $40 in, $1.50, $1.50, and busted both of them.
That's crazy.
Wow.
And then the grand popped up.
Yes, like I was like, oh, I need one more for the maxi. That's fine, $30. And then I'm talking to him, watching him, talking to the camera, and then I was like, wait, holy shit! It just threw me the last grand I needed.
Somebody's happy.
Extra bonus games.
And it's another bonus.
And it gave me no extra bonus games. I was just complaining about that, remember? I was like, it gave me no bonus extra games.
Oh, I didn't
see?
catch. I didn't catch the first spin, but I did catch the end of the second spin, where she came back and won the $1,000 grand over here.
And now I just busted the extra bonus games.
Black Gold Casino and Truck Stop
In Tucson.
in Tucson, Louisiana.
Oh, come on. It's not looking too good.
It's all right.
I mean, yeah. I was just playing out the rest of the $30. And look at me. Am I gonna get the rest of my money? Because I'm pretty sure that last one was a big hit.
It was just credits are still there.
No, I meant like the
Oh, yeah.
What did you want to figure out?
Oh, none. It's I just busted the extra bonus again.
Yeah. They might keep it.
I know I was just trying to play out my $30-something, but
Do it again.
no, that's it. $8.80. Okay, bus. I like the sticky wilds.
Yeah.
And when it busted both, I was complaining. I was like, oh, I was just at $1.50. I just wanted to see what it was going to do, you know? Hey, the
You
most.
got one more punch left.
I know.
And that's the pops.
Oh, you went
yeah,
under.
I went under. That's okay. All right.
Getting too excited. So, Kelly, where you at?
Black Gold Truck Stop, Casino Truck Stop in Tucson.
And what happened?
We did our norm. We went eat, and we said we're going to come put a few dollars in, get a couple beers before we go home. So I went to one of my machines that I normally play at in the corner, put $40 in. So I'm just going to bet $1.50, just get a feel, see if it's doing anything. Second spin, I bust 2 of the pandas, and on the very last spin of the free games, it fills up the grand gems. Like
Second to last
the
spin.
second last spin, yeah, it fills up the grand gems of the jackpot at the top. So I won $1,000 off of $3.
That's a pretty good win. We're gonna play this. Pig looks like Elvis.
Ooh, they're all connected. That'd be nice. Okay, got it. Did I get 2? Yeah. Oh, I got all 3? I got all 3.
Triple pop.
$74. Mini, $100. Kristen,
She gonna come?
she's looking for me. Triple pump. Remember the last time we were here? It did that where it kept giving me the mini and I hit the $100 in the end every time. Two more spins. So that's a big number. And 2 extra spins.
so on
interesting.
fire. too.
I am. I love it. I love it.
That guy that just got up from here, he's probably not loving
He's
it.
probably not happy.
If I was him, I'd just leave.
Ooh, it missed me right there the 3 times.
Yeah, if I was him, I'd just leave.
Oh, it missed me right here for the mini.
You didn't connect.
I'm not gonna complain.
No, considering you over 1,300 up.
Another free spin.
Just don't forget whose idea it was to come here.
I actually was coming earlier today, and I
No,
said
no,
I
don't
didn't
forget.
come.
No, don't try and take the credit for it now.
Ooh, an extra spin. Ooh, it should connect for the 3 times. All right, connect and throw me something at the end. Come on, connect.
Oh, that would have been nice.
Throw me a minor at the end. Oh,
Oh,
missed me again.
Major's 500.
It missed me
You
again.
already got $1,000. Let's do another one.
Oh, it missed me the 3 times. Oh well.
Last one.
$424 off of $10. That's a win.
$10 got you 400.
Yes.
$3
we
got
did.
you 1,000.
We'll do a few backups and get off this thing.
Right down to 5.
Yep.
Last spin. All right, Mr. Biggies. Thank y'all very much.
Had $1.20. It's a good day.
And there you hit another pig.
Yes, another big. This is on a $4. Maybe it'll pay a little more.
Give us something good. Again.
That's Elvis too. Ooh, next. 35.
$35.
Oh. 10. Connect it all and throw me the minor at the end. I'll take that. Oh well. 45.
$5. Gonna do what's it gonna do.
Oh no.
They held you up. Couldn't even drink your
Maybe.
beer because you were winning too much.
I know.
What kind of problems is
I'm
that?
gonna go home sober. What is that?
Maybe that's the key. You have to stay sober while I drink and watch you.
That's what we're gonna do.
Yeah. I think that would be great television. take a break from filming because when I take a break, you win a bonus.
That's what happens.
Well, no, actually, I recorded a couple of them.
You recorded the big one. Oh, there you
This
go.
will be a long ass
Right on.
video. Let's see which free
All
spins
right.
are going
I
to
was
do.
on $2 that time.
Who's growing? That's that dude right there. Black Gold Casino.
Oh,
What you got?
nothing. It didn't connect.
Oh, you got some.
Oh, busted.
Which one busted?
Oh, it did. It did win.
Oh,
It
the
won
little-
the blue. So now it gave me the blue, and all that's going to turn. Right? No, it didn't turn yet. Not till now.
Oh, now he's throwing.
Now he's going to turn. Well, that was a rip off on that one. Oh, look. All the Elvis connected.
Don't be greedy.
5 times.
5 times all out. That's nice.
$102.
Oh yeah, you got all your money back.
Oh,
Well,
what money?
well, you spent $40 and won $1,500. So
Bruh.
I'm glad to listen to you.
102 on that. Well, I busted Elvis, and then he busted, and then it threw me that it's 5 times connected. Because it gave it to me on the 2. Oh, yeah.
Tell you what. You keep this up, I might let you buy me a beer.
Right?
I tried to buy you last one. You didn't want.
Well, you know, you don't
You
want
wanted to be the man and do it for me.
Well, you know, it's superstition.
Superstition. Look, another $140.
Well, good for you. And me. That's another day I don't have to work.
Well, considering we're both off until like Tuesday.
What you gonna do now?
I don't know. What
Do
you
you
think?
push it or do you cash it out and go home $1,700 up?
Well, no, this is another 100 up. Remember, I put
Oh, yeah,
100.
you put in 100. So
I put in 100 when I won the 4, the 4 something, and then I put in another 100.
so 4, so
from
5. So
100
you
up.
altogether $1,500 profit.
Yes.
After putting money in, yeah, and paying
1,500.
tipping out.
Yeah. So I don't know.
So what you gonna do? You
It's
gonna
been
play?
playing.
You gonna play it to 100?
Yeah, because I mean, at this point, I'm
Play-
gonna become.
Play it to 100 and cash out your 100. And you break it even on this one. On this last run.
And then I'll give you 100 on Sunday.
No, just hold on to it. You can just, because I'm not lucky.
I mean, if it stops playing, I'm gonna cash it out. But it looks like it.
I thought he was
it
about to
likes
go
me. Me
again.
too. I know.
This is gonna be a long video. I thought it was gonna be a short, but it's turning into a major motion picture right here.
Maybe it'll have some more motion.
It's just- don't worry about the shaky hands. I'm trying to drink my beer.
Do it. Got him. Both of them. On a $2 again. He likes that too.
Well, keep doing what you're doing.
Of course, the one I didn't get is the one that's going to connect.
Yeah, it's all right.
Okay, boys, I'm going to need you to come out and play. Green and red. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Oh man. Oh man.
And the blue again. Nothing.
You need that chef wig.
And the blue again. Okay,
Oh,
that was a fail.
Oh well. That's a sign. Just don't be greedy.
Yes, ma'am, but I jumped on this one.
Oh,
Thank you, I appreciate it. I jumped on this one and this one started hitting, so I was like, oh well. It wasn't. That's the new one they just put in, huh? Yeah.
well, that's not the one we want to be on.
I mean, unless I get on it and it goes stupid, but I don't know.
Except for 3 days, they've been trying to bust that one. Yeah, this is slowing down.
It just didn't want, huh? Yeah, I'd seen that. This one too, it's like in the $2 bet. See? Once again, the $2 bet.
Well, stay on the $2. That's the one
Oh,
that's
I did
banned.
the blue, yeah, the green and the red.
Bling, bling.
It did not give me the red.
Nope.
It just gave me the green. Well, hell.
How?
Okay. Let's go. Bring your dreams out. Come on, spatula. Nope. It needs to be better than that. It's right here. The blue didn't connect it.
It's paying small numbers now.
Yep. There's the major right there. Another $10. Okay.
Yeah, it's dropping.
Yeah.
There's a minor, but
Didn't connect as usual.
laying down on 115. Is that the other one?
Well,
Nope.
look, I
Nope.
did the $4. It's giving me the blue. Give me the green too.
Come on, pop.
Nope, just the blue. Okay. $4 spin. Let's see what it gives me. Ooh, a $50 right there.
It's about to connect.
I know. Must Elvis too. It's not connecting to anything. Oh my gosh. Elvis screwed me. And I was fixing to cash out and it hit the floor. And there we go. No. I was about to say.
Cash it out. Ding, ding,
Yep,
ding,
it slowed down a lot.
ding. Will she go home or will she go try another one? All right. So
Nobody can make this thing bust. It's been 3 days. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it likes me.
back with the pigs. Hold on a second while I grab my beer again.
All right.
So how much you gonna just do 100 on this one? Let's see.
Yeah, because
don't
I'm
pay.
up from the other one, so.
Oh, you got
that thing
chunky
got big.
again.
I thought he was gonna bust.
Come on, buddy. goes again. She didn't go home, by the way. She just switched to a different machine with the same game.
I only hit them once.
Let's see what they got to do here.
Oh, look at that. See it? That was a, it was a mini, but, ooh, there we go.
Oh, that's a good start. Come on, blue. Oh,
$2 bet. Likes it. Ooh, pop all three. Did I get all three? Yep, all three. For $2.
all three. Triple pop. I like watching these little pigs. Getting his. There we go. It's gonna
Let's do
a
it.
$2 bet?
Connect them all, yep. But that's what it was on the other one too. It likes the $2 for some reason. I'm all piggies and coins. Ooh, 3 times. Another $76.50.
Not bad.
Where's Chris? She said she couldn't get this bus.
I still got free spins left.
Well, I'm gonna need some other free spins here. Where's the extra spins guy? Oh damn, the minor didn't connect.
It needs to connect.
Oh, there was the free spins.
I'll throw a major on the left. I'll
That,
connect.
yeah. It won't
Or
go on the
grand.
left, it's gonna be on the right.
Or grand.
Okay, there's an extra spin. I needed that.
Oh man.
Here we go, 2 times. Throw some big ones.
Can I put words in those?
Only on the end.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Which is like, remember the other day it kept hitting the mini? It kept dropping that $100 mini. Connect, connect, connect. Well, missed the $20. Oh well.
$2 bet, $184.
Not bad. For a $2 bet.
Yeah, buddy.
All right.
281.
Okay, what are we gonna?
What you stopping at?
I guess 250. I'll put me 150 ahead on this.
Okay.
I had a triple pop on a $2. Yep. $170.
Actually paid 181.
181, yeah.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Yep, there it is.
call it a good time.
Going home.
So here we are. We are leaving Black Gold. Not even an hour later.
Couldn't
Yeah.
even finish 2 beers. Like,
Yeah.
it was that fast.
So, babe, what you ended up doing with your $160?
I put 40 into the first machine.
Mm-hmm.
And on the second spin, which was literally $3, I went into 2 bonuses. Within those 2 bonuses, you know how like it drops the colored gems and it fills up the jackpot things or whatever. I was complaining about how I didn't get any extra free spins, and I had busted the extra free spin panda or whatever. While I'm complaining, it drops the last grand, so I end up winning a grand jackpot. So it was $1,000 on that one, on $3. So that was cool.
That was on the pandas.
That was on the pandas, yeah. Then the other machines I wanted to play, which is the bacon pigs that has Elvis and the little spatula dude and all that, they were full because there's only 3 machines here because we're at truck stop.
3 of those machines anyway.
3 of them, yeah. And so we were just sitting at the bar watching. They had another lady playing, and she said when she was done with her machine, she would give it to me because she was on one of them. Well, these other guys got up and left, so I hurried up and ran over there. Put $100 in just to see what it would do. $10 into the machine, I bust all 3 and win $400.
Suspense is killing me. I'm just waiting to see that
I
money
know.
rolled out. So let me know how much you won.
So I end up cashing out of that machine, and I go to the one that the lady was holding for me, and I triple pop that one. And I cash out
81, 85, I don't know.
$250,
Okay.
right?
I don't remember.
Yeah, $250 and $150 because she gave me $400.
I'll go back and look at it at the
Yeah.
recording. But anyway.
So I'd say it was a good night. So let's
So
see.
what's the total? Let's see here.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $1,600
Off of 160
off of $160
within an hour.
within not even 2. I couldn't even finish the second beer. I threw it away. So yeah,
Awesome.
I'd say it was a good day. I'm excited.
I got you.